Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python installed and Vscode ready. Open the project folder so settings save per project. Once done, create a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and activate it. This isolates dependencies and prevents global conflicts. Then, install the Microsoft Python extension in Vscode so linting and IntelliSense work. Make sure the interpreter selector points to venv. That choice controls formatting, imports, and test discovery as you continue. Next, you configure execution and debugging. Use the command palette to select the venv interpreter. That ensures run and debug use the same Python. Then create or edit launch. JSON to set program, args, and console types so breakpoints behave predictably. Configure tasks. JSON if you want shortcut builds or test runs. Once configured, pip install R requirements. TXT into the virtualenv. This guarantees the runtime matches development. Now run or debug a script to verify the setup. To finish, enable linting and a formatter like black so code stays consistent. Configure them in workspace settings to apply only here. Use the integrated terminal so venv activation persists across runs and your tests run in the same environment. If something goes wrong, first confirm the selected interpreter path matches. Venv. If issues persist, recreate the virtualenv and reinstall requirements. This resolves most corruption and path mismatches. That single troubleshooting step saves time and restores a clean, working environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.